What's up, guys? Chris here. We have Josh.
Howdy.
And we have Manny. Happy New Year to everybody. Who would have thought that our biggest year, 2017, would have ended with our smallest race? We have the world's smallest Hot Wheels cars. How about we break in the new year by breaking these out of their package and do a little best 2 out of 3. These things are pretty awesome. Looks like we have a little package inside of the package. Tiny Hot Wheels mint on card. Well, guys, they don't get much tinier than these. Grab your car. All right, Manny's got his out. Do they actually roll, Manny? Cool. Let's line them up. World's smallest Hot Wheels race, number 1. We have the twin mill. Taking on Roger Dodger. I think that's Roger. Pretty
Roger,
small.
Roger.
Can't quite tell. Let's see who takes it. There we go. Race number 1.
Ready?
Go. Roger Dodger takes it. Go. Roger Dodger takes it. Go. Roger Dodger takes it. Manny, you got 1 race in the bag. One more, you win it. Josh? All right, we switched lanes. Let's see who takes it. Go for it, Josh.
Mark, set, go.
Off. Ooh, Roger Dodger pulls it out in the end.
Set.
Ooh, Roger Dodger pulls it out in the end.
Set, go.
Ooh, Roger Dodger pulls it out in the end. Hey guys, smallest Hot Wheels race and possibly the shortest. Happy New Year to everybody. Big thanks from Josh. Josh, what's that on your head? Happy New Year! All right, guys, be safe out there. Have a great one. Take care. Let's see how the world's smallest Roger Dodger does against his Hot Wheels counterpart. See who takes it. Go for it, Josh.
Mark, set, go.
Off. Oh, the real Hot Wheels still wins it. Cool little cars, though. We'll see ya. Three, 2, 1. It's official.